Hey everyone, welcome back to the Asmacs Jobs, your go-to source for the latest overseas job opportunities. If you're looking to start a new chapter in your career, you're in the right place. Today, I've got some fantastic news. There are urgent job openings in Saudi Arabia for a long-term project with large numbers of vacancies across technical, engineering, and skilled trades. So if you've got experience in the oil and gas or refinery sector, keep watching. AYTB, a reputed oil and gas company, is hiring for the following roles. Positions available for engineering and supervision division. Positions available for technicians and skilled trades division. Positions available for logistics and operations division. Here are some criteria for candidates. Walk-in for shortlisting is happening till October 6th, November 2025, and final client interview at Chennai on 7th November 2025. And final client interview at Cochin on 11th November 2025. Enjoy attractive salary with benefits like food allowance, company accommodation, transportation, overtime pay. Apply now with Asmacs, your trusted recruitment partner. If you found this video helpful, do like this video and give your opinion in comment section. For more information, you can visit your nearest Asmacs branch.